Antarctica is the most beautiful, dramatic place that I've ever seen.
You feel insignificant with its beauty and its grandeur.
It's just so beautiful and so magnificent that these words just don't seem to do it justice.
So a base camp expedition is where we offer all the different activities. So we offer kayaking, camping, mountaineering, snowshoeing, general landings.
So we've just done our first ever ice climb.
And we're camping outside in a bivy sack, and I can't wait.
Just to be on the water, going through the ice with the glaciers floating around was just jaw-dropping.
There's 5 or 6 different activity guides that are constantly out with different groups, and while you're not with an activity guide, you're still on a landing or on a Zodiac cruise, exploring the icebergs, visiting penguin colonies, you're visiting old historic bases.
Oh, awesome. What can you say? All I know is how to get a smile on my face the entire time. I can't stop smiling, that's true. You cannot beat this.
We get to spend every single day, multiple times a day, on land, enjoying what Antarctica has to offer.
The ocean wide experience has been amazing.
It's just blowing every expectation out of the water.
Far exceeded my expectations. Honestly, it's a dream come true.
I think everyone needs to experience this, and Oceanwide does an amazing job of teaching us how to preserve and just leading by example on how to preserve Antarctica so that hopefully more and more generations can enjoy what we're enjoying today.
You need to have the best to come to a place like this, and I wholeheartedly believe Oceanwide would be the best.